completed. Admin overheads control account. Next, work in progress control account, sir. Work in progress control account. What are the transactions took place in this account, sir? Opening inventory of work in progress. Next, raw material issued to production. Next, various charged to production. Next, direct expenses charged to production. Next, factory overheads charged to production. Next, admin overheads charged to production. Less closing inventory of work in progress. We get cost of goods produced. Okay, sir. Cost of goods produced. Right. To balance brought down, sir. To balance brought down. Do balance brought down. Here, work in progress control account to opening balance 62,500, sir. 62,500. Next, raw material issued to production. Work in progress control account debit to stores ledger control account. Stores ledger control account. Work in progress control account debit to stores ledger control account. That is direct material. So direct material issued to job or work 4,77,400. 4,77,400. 4,77,400. Next, wages charged to production, that is direct wages. Here direct wages 1,49,300, sir. Entry work in progress control account debit to wage control account. Wage control account, direct wage. Direct wage. Next, next, direct expenses nil. Direct expenses nil, sir. Next, next, factory overheads. Factory overheads. Factory overhead charged to production. Work in progress control account debit to factory overhead control account. Factory overhead control account. So here factory overhead charged to production. Factory overhead charged to production. Here charged amount is factory overhead charged to production is 3,59,100. 3,59,100. So 3,59,100. So here factory overheads is nothing but production overheads, sir. Next, next, admin overhead charged to production. Admin overhead control account. So admin overhead charged to production 52,900, sir. 52,900. Okay, right. Add them, sir. Debit side amounts, add them. So 62,500 plus 4,77,400 plus 1,49,300 plus 3,59,100. Next, 52,900. 52,900 equal to 11,01,200. So 11,01,200. 11,01,200. Right, sir. Here cost of finished goods produced. Finished goods produced is equal to 9,58,400, sir. 9,58,400 by FSL control account. 9,58,400. Right. Closing balance of work in progress, sir. By balance carried down. By balance carried down Buy balance carry down, sir. So 11 lakhs 1,200 minus 11 lakhs 1,200 minus 9 lakhs 58,400, sir. 9 lakhs 58,400 is equal to 1,42,800, sir. 1,42,800. Okay, right. So that is the work in progress control account. Work in progress control account. Next, work in progress completed, sir. Next, admin already prepared, sir. Admin order control account already completed, sir. Next, directly we have to prepare FSL control account. Next, you have to prepare FSL control account, sir. F, finished stock, ledger control account. Finished stock ledger control account, sir. Finished stock ledger control account. Debit to credit. To balance brought down. To balance brought down. Opening inventory of finished goods 1,24,000. 1,24,000. 1,24,000. 1,24,000 FSL control account debit to opening balance, sir. To balance brought down. Next, finished goods produced or finished goods completed transferred to warehouse. Finished goods produced and transferred to warehouse, sir. 9,58,400. 9,58,400. 58,400. To transferred from work in progress control account. Work in progress control account. Next, admin was charged finished goods. Already admin was charged, sir, at the time of production. That's why there is no admin was charged finished goods, sir. Okay, right. Total available goods, cost of goods available for sale. Cost of goods available for sale, sir. 1,24,000. Cost of goods available for sale 1,24,000 plus 9,58,400. 9,58,400. Amount to 10,82,400. 10,82,400. 10,82,400, sir. 10,82,400. Right. Next, finished goods sold. Finished goods sold means COGS account debit to FSL account. Next, cost of sales account debit to COGS account. So please merge these two entries. Direct entries, cost of sales account debit to FSL control account. Cost of sales 9,77,300. 9,77,300 minus 9,77,300, sir, is equal to 1,05,100. By balance carry down. By balance carry down 1,05,100. So FSL control account complete. Next, selling and distribution order control account. Selling and distribution. Selling and distribution overhead control account. Overhead control account. Selling and distribution overhead control account, sir. Right. Sir, is there any opening balances? Yes, sir. In last quarter, any under or over carry forward to subsequent period, sir. Selling and distribution overheads under charge amount is 6,250, carry forward, sir. 6,250. To balance brought down. To balance brought down 6,250, sir. Next, charge. Selling and distribution or charge to sales units by cost of sales. By cost of sales, sir. By cost of sales. Bracket low, charged. Charged. Amount, sir. Selling and distribution or charged to sales units. Charged to sales. 14,800. 14,800. 14,800. That is charged. Okay. Next, compare with actual, sir. So here raw material issued to selling and distribution department. Selling and distribution order control account debit to stores ledger control account. Stores ledger control account. Indirect material, sir. Indirect material. Indirect material, sir. Raw material issued to selling department 7,200, sir. 7,200. Next, indirect waste related to selling and distribution department. Selling and distribution order control account debit to waste control account. Wage control account. So indirect wage nil. Next, selling and distribution orders incurred. Selling and distribution orders incurred. Sir, selling orders incurred 64,200, sir. 64,200. Okay, sir. Sir, here selling orders charged amount by mistake, sir. So selling orders charged amount is 82,000, sir. 82,000, sir. Selling and distribution order charged to sales units 82,000, sir. So cost of sales account debit to selling and distribution order control account. Next, raw material issued to selling and distribution department 7,200, sir. Entry selling and distribution order control account debit to stores ledger control account. Next, wages, indirect wages charged to selling and distribution department. Selling and distribution order control account debit to wage control account nil. Next, selling and distribution orders expenses incurred 64,200. 64,200, sir. To cash. So here cash account is not maintained because it is a non-integrated accounting system. So then use the artificial account. Here artificial account name is general ledger control account. To general ledger control account. General ledger control account. Indirect expenses. Indirect expenses. So selling and distribution orders incurred 64,200. Right. Sir, please check here. It is undercharge or overcharge, sir? Sir, debit side totals. Please add them. Debit side total amounts. 6,250 plus 7,200 plus 64,200 is equal 77,650, sir. So actually incurred 77,650, but charged amount is 82,000, sir. Overcharge, sir. So 82,000. So here charged amount is 82,000, sir, but actually incurred 77,650. 77,650. Overcharge, sir. Amount to 4,350 overcharge. 4,350 overcharge. 2. Here there is a clue in the trial balance, sir. Here any undercharge or overcharge carry forward to subsequent periods. So please transfer to third quarter, sir. To balance carry down. To balance carry down. Overcharge. Overcharge. So completed, sir. Selling and distribution order control account. Next term, cost of sales account. cost of sales account. Okay, sir, here cost of sales 9,77,300. 9,77,300, sir. Cost of sales account debit to FSL control account. FSL control account. Cost of sales account debit to FSL control account 9,77,300. Okay. Next, charge, selling and distribution orders. Cost of sales account debit to selling and distribution overhead control account. 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 82,000 rupees. 82,000 rupees. Finally, we get cost of goods, cost of sales, total cost, total cost 82,000 plus 9,77,300. 9,77,300. So 10,59,300. 10,59,300. Okay, right. Transfer to costing profit and loss account. By costing profit and loss account, 10,59,300. 10,59,300. So that is the cost of sales. Next, sales account. Sales account. So here cash sales or credit sales entry will be same, sir. Entry will be same. So entry, sir, here sales amount is 14,43,000. 14,43,000. 14,43,000. Here cash account is not maintained, personal account is not maintained. So that general ledger control account is used. General ledger control account debit to sales account by general ledger control account debit to sales account. Transfer to costing profit and loss account. 14,43,000. 14,43,000. So 14,43,000. 14,43,000. Okay, completed, sir. Sales account completed. Next, costing profit and loss account. Costing profit and loss account. To cost of sales. To cost of sales, sir. Cost of sales 10,59,300. 10,59,300. 10,59,300 by sales. By sales 14,43,000. 14,43,000. 14,43,000 sales. So here under our over absorbed overheads carry forward to subsequent periods, not transfer to CPL. Okay, that's why please balance 14,43,000. 14,43,000. So 14,43,000. So 3,83,700. 3,83,700. Two capital account. Sir, here capital account is not maintained. So transfer to general ledger control account. General ledger control account. General ledger control account 3,83,700. 3,83,700, sir. So that is the profit during this period. Next, general ledger control account, sir. General ledger control account. General ledger control account. That is called as cost ledger control account. Cost ledger control account. Right. Sir, what are the transactions took place in this account? Total purchase, total wages paid, direct expenses incurred, factory overheads or production overheads incurred, admin overheads incurred, selling and distribution overheads incurred. Next, sales. Any profit or loss made on this period, that should be transferred to general ledger control account. Okay, right. First, opening balance, sir. By balance brought down 3,13,150. 3,13,150. 3,13,150. By balance brought down. By balance brought down 3,13,150. 3,13,150. Next, sir, total materials purchased 4,80,100. 4,80,100, sir. Total material purchased. Okay, sir. Entry, sir. Entry purchased general stores ledger control account debit to general ledger control account. Stores ledger. So raw material incoming kabatti stores ledger control account. Stores ledger control account debit to general ledger control account. 4,80,100. 4,80,100. Next, total wages paid. Wage control account. Total wage paid, sir. Here, direct wage 1,49,300. 1,49,300 plus 65,000 is equal 2,14,300. 2,14,300. Next, direct expenses incurred nil, sir. Next, production overheads or factory overheads incurred, sir. 2,50,650. 2,50,650. Production overhead control account. This is also called as factory overhead control account, sir. So here internal transportation expenses 8,400, other production overheads incurred 2,42,250, sir. So 8,400 plus 2,42,250. 2,42,250. 2,42,250. So production order control account debit to general ledger control account. Next, admin overhead expenses incurred. Admin overheads expenses incurred 74,000. So admin overhead control account. Admin overhead control account 74,000. 74,000. Okay, sir. Next, selling and distribution overheads incurred, sir. By selling and distribution overhead control account. Selling and distribution overhead control account. Selling and distribution overhead control account. So here incurred sales overheads incurred 64,200 sir, 64,200. Next sales, to sales, sales amount is 14,43,000, 14,43,000. So here profit made during this period, 3,83,700, 3,83,700. Entry sir, casting profit and loss account debit to general ledger control account. Oh right sir, please balance sir. So add them, credit side total sir, 3,83,700 plus 64,200 plus 74,000 plus 2,50,650 plus 2,14,300 plus 4,80,100 plus 3,13,150 is equal to 17,80,100 sir, 17,80,100, 17,80,100 minus 14,43,000. So 3,37,100 sir, 3,37,100 to balance carry down. Okay, right. So this is the closing balance of general ledger control account. Here they are asking trial balance as on 30th September 2012 sir. So please check the printed solution sir, accounts balances. Please check the printed solutions, balances sir. Right. So problem number 3 sir. So material control account 74,900, 74,900. Okay, correct sir, 74,900 correct answer. Next waste control account completed. Okay, production order control account balance 6,150 under charge sir, 6,150 under charge, correct sir. Next admin overhead control account overcharge 2,300 sir, overcharge 2,300, correct sir. Next work in progress control account, work in progress control account 1,42,800 sir, correct sir. Next FSL control account 10 lakhs sir, 1,05,100, yeah exactly correct sir, 1,05,100. Next selling and distribution overheads overcharge sir, selling and distribution overheads overcharge, selling and distribution overcharge 4,350, yeah exactly correct sir. Next casting profit loss account, casting profit loss account sir, casting profit and loss account, casting profit loss account 3,68,900. So please check here casting profit loss account, cost of sales 10,74,100, 10,74,100 sir. Sir here cost of sales account, please check sir, cost of sales account. So sir here one mistake is there sir, here cost of sales, okay, FSL control account, selling and distribution charge to sales units and also admin overhead charge to sales sir. Here admin overheads charge to sales sir, cost of sales account debit to admin overhead control account. So one posting is missing sir, 14,800 So 14,800 sir. So that is the admin overheads charged to sales. That is general admin overhead charged to sales units. Cost of sales account debit to admin overheads admin overhead control account. Admin overhead control account. So cost of sales account debit to admin overhead control account. 14,800. So now, so 14,800 plus 82,000 plus 9,77,300 is equal 10,74,100. 10,74,100. 10,74,100. 10,74,100. So 10,74,100 sir. 10,74,100, right? Okay, right. So here cost of sales amount is 10,74,100. So balance sir, profit. 1 minute sir, 14,43,000. So 3,68,900 sir. 3,68,900. Okay, right. So here profit balance is 3,68,000. 3,68,900 sir. 3,68,900. So 3,68,900. So 3,68,900 plus 64,200 plus 74,000 plus 2,50,000 650 plus 2,14,300 plus 4,80,100 plus 3,13,150 is equal to 17,65,300 sir. 17,65,300. 17,65,300 sir. 17,65,300. So 17,65,300. Right. Minus 14,43,000. So 3,22,300 sir. 3,22,300. So here one entry is missing sir. General admin expenses, that is the admin overheads related to sales. So double entry system is missing sir. So here cost of sales account debit to admin overhead control account 14,800. So that's why. So profit now change 3,68,900 sir. So 3,68,900. So general ledger control account balance 3,22,300. Right. Now trial balance sir. So trial balance. So trial balance as on date sir. Third problem. So problem number 30th September 2012 sir. So trial balance as on 30th September 30th September 2012. 30th September 2012 sir. Right. Head of the account. Next debit. Next credit. Debit to credit. Right. Debit to credit. First one. Stores ledger control account. Stores ledger control account shows a debit balance of 74,900. 74,900, sir. 74,900. That is stores ledger control account. Stores ledger control account. Next, work in progress control account. So, work in progress control account shows a credit balance of work in progress control account shows a credit balance of work in progress control account shows a credit balance of 1,42,800, sir. 1,42,800. 1,42,800. 1,42,800. Next, FSL control account. FSL control account shows a debit balance of FSL control account shows a debit balance of 1,05,100. 1,05,100, sir. 1,05,100. Next, sir, here overheads control accounts undercharge or overcharge, sir. Any undercharge or overcharge arising in control accounts, that should be carry forward to next period, sir. So that's why please note down production overhead control account. Production overhead control account. Production overhead control account. Production overhead control account. Balance, sir. Production overhead control account or factory overhead control account. Production overhead control account or factory overhead control account, sir. 6,150 debit balance. 6,150 debit balance. 6,150 debit balance. Next, admin overhead control account. Admin overhead control account. Next, admin overhead control account, sir. Admin overhead control account. Admin overhead control account overcharge, sir. Credit balance 2,300. 2,300. Next, selling and distribution overhead control account. 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 Overcharge 4350. Overcharge 4350. Last and final, general ledger control account, sir. General ledger control account. General ledger control account credit balance 3,22,300. 3,22,300. Total, sir. Total 3,22,300 plus 4,350 plus 2,300 is equal 3,28,950. 950. Please check the debit side, sir. 74,900 plus 1,42,800 plus 1,05,100 plus 6,150. 150 is equal to 3,28,950. 3,28,950. Tally, sir. Right. So this is the problem number 3, sir. Next problem number 4 completed, sir. Next problem number 5, sir. A company operates on historic job cost accounting system. That means different works, different specifications, no two jobs are alike. In this situation, cost ascertaining program is called as job costing. So which is not integrated with the financial accounts, that means non-integrated accounting system followed, sir. Company follows non-integrated accounting system. At the beginning of the month, which month, sir? That is not mentioned, sir. At the beginning of the month, the opening balances in lakhs were as under. Stores ledger control account showed a debit balance of 80 lakhs. Work in progress control account showed a debit balance of 20 lakhs. Finished goods control account showed a debit balance of 430 lakhs. Sir, here building construction account showed a debit balance of 10 lakhs, sir. That means here company produced company produced, sir. Here two activities are there, sir. So problem number 5 speciality. Problem number 5 specialty, sir. Here two activities are there. One is company production activity. Second one is building construction activity, sir. Here two activities are there. Two activities are there, sir. Here two activities are there. One is production activity of company product. Production activity. Second one is building construction activity, sir. Building construction activity. Second one is building construction activity. Building construction activity, sir. Building construction activity. Building construction activity, sir. Two activities, sir. Two activities. One is production activity. Production activity. Production activity of company product. Production activity of company product. Next, building construction activity. Building construction activity. Building construction activity. So here two activities are there. One is production activity of company product. Second one is building construction activity. Building construction activity. Building construction activity. Okay, right. So one is production activity. Second one is building construction activity. Here materials purchased for company production activity and also building construction activity. Right. మీరు చూసుకోవాలి అన్నీ మీరు. Right. So problem number 5, sir. Two activities, production activity and building construction activity. Right. Next. So cost ledger control account 540, sir. 540. Right. So cost ledger control account to balance 540, sir. Right. Please check the trial balance. 80 plus 20 plus 430 plus 10 is equal 540. Is equal 540. Okay. Right. So clear, sir. Next. Transactions during the month. During this month, material transactions, sir. Material transactions. Purchase issued to production. Sir, first purchase, sir, material purchase. So first material purchase entry, sir. Stores ledger control account. That is the raw material incoming. So material incoming, sir. Debit the stores ledger control account. 2. Stores ledger control account 2. Stores ledger control account 2. Cash account or supplier account. Here cash account is not maintained or supplier account is not maintained. In that place, cost ledger control account is used. Entry. Stores ledger control account debit to cost ledger control account 40 lakhs. Next. Issued to production. Raw material issued to production. Entry, sir. Raw material issued to production entry. So issue to production means direct material, sir. Entry work in progress control account debit to work in progress control account debit to stores ledger control account. Work in progress control account debit to stores ledger control account. Next, raw material issued to general maintenance. General maintenance means general maintenance. Raw material issued to general maintenance means raw material issued to factory repairs and maintenance, sir. So that is factory overheads. That nothing but production overheads. Entry factory overhead control account debit to stores ledger control account. Stores ledger control account. Next, raw material issued to building construction. So here company having two activities, sir. Company operates two activities. One is the production activity. Second one is the building construction activity. Building construction activity. So raw material issued to building construction. So building construction account debit to building construction account debit to stores ledger control account. Stores ledger control account. Okay, next. Okay, sir. Next, works overheads. That is the factory overheads. Factory overheads. Actual amount incurred. So actual amount incurred 160. Excluding items shown above means, that means indirect material, factory indirect material and factory indirect labor. Factory indirect material and factory indirect labor is nothing but factory indirect expenses. Entry, sir. Factory overhead control account debit to cash account. Here cash account is not maintained. That's why cost ledger control account is used. So entry, sir. Works overhead control account debit to works overhead control account debit to cost ledger control account. Cost ledger control account. Okay, sir. So we'll continue next class, sir. Sir, problem number 5, sir. Here company maintains two activities, sir. One is production activity of the company product, next building construction activity. So two activities are there. In previous problems, only one production activity. Here another activity is also there, that is the building construction activity, sir. So building construction account is also maintained, that is called as capital work in progress account, sir. Capital work in progress, that is nothing but building construction account. Suppose if it is completed, then this balance transferred to buildings account, but here buildings account is not maintained, so that it is transferred to general ledger adjustment account or cost ledger control account. Okay, sir, right. So here material transactions, sir, transactions during the month, here month, which month, sir, that is not given, sir, just a month, sir. Okay, right. Materials purchased, sir, material purchased. So material purchase, so material incoming, sir, raw material purchase account. So that is the stores ledger control account debit to cost ledger control account 40 lakhs, sir. Next, issues, raw material issued to production, work in progress control account debit to stores ledger control account. Next, raw material issued to general maintenance. General maintenance means factory repairs and maintenance, that is factory overhead control account debit to stores ledger control account. Next, raw material issued to building construction account debit to stores ledger control account. So if the material is outgoing, then stores ledger control account is created. Okay, sir, right. Here what they are asking, prepare the relevant control accounts. So prepare the relevant control accounts, so that means prepare ledger accounts in your own way. So in your own way means first stores ledger control account. So cost ledger, books of contractor, cost ledger, first stores ledger control account, stores ledger control account. debit to credit, debit to credit. Yes, stores ledger control account shows a debit balance 80 lakhs, sir, rupees in lakhs, rupees in lakhs, rupees in lakhs. 2. Stores ledger control account debit to stores ledger control account debit to, sir, first opening balance brought forward, sir, to balance brought down 80 lakhs, to balance brought down 80 lakhs. Next, purchase, so purchase material incoming, sir, stores ledger control account debited. Here cash account is not maintained, supplier personal account is not maintained, so in that place cost ledger control account is used. So to cost ledger control account, to cost ledger control account, to cost ledger control account, purchase 40, so total availability 120. Next, raw material issued to general, raw material issued to production by work in progress control account, work in progress control account, raw material issued to production, raw material issued to production, work in progress control account debit to stores ledger control account, that is called direct material, direct material. So 50, next, raw material issued to general maintenance, general maintenance, raw material issued to general maintenance means factory order control account debit to stores ledger control account, factory overhead control account debit to stores ledger control account. So raw material issued to factory repairs and maintenance, that is called indirect material, sir. How much? 6. Next, raw material issued to building construction activity. So another activity is there. So building construction account debit to building construction account debit to stores ledger control account. 4, sir, 4 building construction account debit to stores ledger control account 4. Okay, next to last paragraph, sir. At the end of the month, the stock of raw materials 55 lakhs, sir. So closing inventory of raw material is given in the problem. Closing inventory of raw material is given in the problem, sir. Closing inventory of raw material given in the problem. By balance carried on. By balance carried on. 120. At the end of the month, closing inventory of raw material is 55 lakhs. 55 lakhs. Closing inventory of raw material 55 lakhs, sir. Right. So please check, sir. So 120 minus 55 minus 4 minus 6 minus 50. Sir, here balancing figure 5, sir. So that is shortage. Here mentioned, sir, the loss arising in raw material account is treated as factory overheads. That means stock takings, deficiency found in stock takings. Deficiency found in stock takings. Deficiency found in stock takings. అంటే రా మెటీరియల్ తీస్తూ ఉంటాం పెడుతూ ఉంటాం ఆ టైంలో మనకి లాస్ అవుతుంది సార్. డెఫిషియన్సీ ఫౌండ్ ఇన్ స్టాక్ టేకింగ్, దట్ ఈస్ లాస్ అరైజింగ్ ఇన్ raw material account. Deficiency found in stock takings is assumed to be normal, then it is treated as factory overhead. Suppose if it is assumed to be abnormal, then it is transferred to costing profit and loss account, directly transferred to costing profit and loss account. So here clearly mentioned the loss arising in the raw material account is treated as factory overhead. It is treated as factory overhead. So that means it is assumed as normal. It is assumed as normal, sir. That's why it is treated as factory overheads. So by factory overhead control account, right. So here note mentions, sir, deficiency found in stock takings. Deficiency found in stock takings. Deficiency found in stock takings is assumed to be normal. Deficiency found in stock takings is assumed to be normal. Okay, sir. So it is treated as factory overheads. So it is common to all, sir. Deficiency found in stock takings is assumed to be normal, sir. So it is treated as factory overhead, sir. But sir, here clearly says in the problem, here factory overheads treated as deficiency found in stock takings are loss arising in the material account treated as factory overhead, sir. So that's why no need to mention in the working note, sir, note point. So suppose there is no specific information, in that case it is mentioned. Okay, sir, right. Next account, sir, wage control account. Total wage paid, sir. Total wage paid, gross wages paid, that is total wages paid 150 lakhs. So rupees in lakhs. Debit to credit. So wage control account debit to cash account. Here cash account is not maintained, so in that place cost ledger control account is used. Wage control account debit to cost ledger control account. Cost ledger control account. So 150 lakhs. Out of 150, indirect waste, that means related to factory. So there is no clarity, there is no clear information about the indirect waste. It is assumed to be factory. It relates to factory, sir. So that is indirect waste related to factory 40, for building construction 10. So 40, 10. So 50, sir. Remaining 100, sir. Remaining 100 direct waste, sir. So waste charged to production. Here note point is there. Wages charged to production that is direct wages. Total amount paid 150 sir, minus indirect wages 40, minus for building construction activity wages paid 10 rupees, so 10 lakhs, so finally 100 lakhs rupees, 100 lakhs, 100 lakhs, 100 lakhs rupees, right, okay, right, 100 lakhs rupees. Entry sir, entry, work in progress control account debit to wage control account, work in progress control account debit to wage control account to 100 lakhs. Okay, next this is direct wage. Next indirect wage sir, indirect wage related to factory sir, so factory overhead control account debit to wage control account, indirect wage 40 sir. Next wages charged to building constructions by building construction account, by building construction account, by building construction account 10. So 150, 150. So wage control account complete sir. Next direct expenses. Sir, here direct expenses, royalty paid sir. So royalty paid 5 lakhs. So royalty paid entry sir, royalty account debit to cash account. Here cash account is not maintained, in that place cost ledger control account is used. So royalty account debit to cost ledger control account. Immediately charged to production. So charged to production means work in progress control account debit to royalty account. So here royalty account or royalty control account, royalty account or royalty control account. Don't worry, line right. Royalty control account. So here royalty paid sir, entry sir, royalty account debit to cash account. Here cash account is not maintained.